Smile, smile with me. Smile with me. Smile with me. Please won't you smile, smile with me. Smile with me. Smile with me. Please won't you.
Oh, look at her. She's looking as good as dinner. And she's looking back at me as if maybe I'm a winner. I'm in my late 20s, little girl. Don't flirt with me. I've got the capability.
Morning. Got a blister on my lip now. Burnt it on a bit of veg. Yeah, we've left Bali now. We're in Nusa Lembongan. I'm gonna try and keep it down actually. It's quite early in the morning. Turn this music off. Yeah. We're just gonna get bikes out today, I think, and go around the island. Maybe go to another island so you can get through it on a bridge. Yeah, it should be good. Look how fucking stupid this is. Why would you have a plug socket in the centre of a wall? Can you see that? It's like, what the fuck? Lucky I've got an extension lead, otherwise I'd have my fucking phone hanging down the wall. It's like, fucking hell, use your common sense, cunt. Yeah, so I'll take you with me, obviously. You lot in the camera. Yeah, probably stop off at views and stuff like that, like last time. Might be a bit boring, but it's all I can do on a motorbike. Can't really record myself. It's a bit dangerous, and the roads here ain't that good. It's pretty fucking rough, potholes everywhere. So, yeah, see you in a bit. Peace. Just had our bikes delivered. Show you. Gonna be tearing it. Nah, gonna be sensible. Right, see you in a bit. Peace. Just stopped off for some water. Look at this. Look what I'm surrounded by. How sick does this look? Coconuts for days. Gonna get out of here though, because I'm underneath one and a lot of people die. If one of them falls on my head, mate, oh, dead. Done. Yeah, right, let's get out of here. If one of them falls, we're fucked. Peace. Gotta ride across that, see how it goes. Made it over the bridge, safe and sound. Just turn right at the end and look at this. What a view. Nice, isn't it? Right, back on the bike. We're gonna go somewhere else now. We don't actually know where we're going, we're just riding around. Get used to the island. Right, peace. Carried on going for a little bit and stopped off. Around all these little windy roads, the trees are over our heads, look good. Look at this though, secret beach. Nice. These waves look quite pretty good as well, look. Yeah, I think we're gonna chill here for a little bit. Might as well. Alright. Peace. There's an infinity pool here, so they're having a little play. Having a photo shoot. Had enough of it here now, so gonna get back on the bike. Infinity pools are shit, I think. They look good for a picture and that, but when you're sitting in there, shit, don't look good at all. Anyway, just a little opinion. Right, yeah, gonna get back on the bike. Peace. Does look pretty nice here in this little resort. Look. Don't know how people just sitting here all day though. I'll get bored as fuck. Right, let's get on that bike.
Fucking yes, mate.
Oh, did you video that? The reason he was so excited about opening the seat was because the key weren't working. So, yeah. Anyway, nice little story. Right, let's go. Peace.
Bye.
Just stopped off somewhere else. Look at this view, mate. Look how blue the water is. Show ya. Let me just walk over it quick. There. Fucking epic, innit? And then look at this though. This ruins it. See all that plastic? Fucking annoying, man. It's everywhere in Asia. Yeah. Nice little view for you. Hey. Right. Chill here for a little bit. And get back on the bike, I think. Yeah. See you in a bit. Peace. Right, let's go. Go.
Oh yeah, where we going?
Go back up the same way, I think, innit? Let's see if we can get in some decent roads. Let's go. Fucking hell.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. Back in the room. Just nearly had a head-on collision, didn't I? Because of these fucking things. Saw some bananas and I was like, oh shit, banana. Fucking hell. The bloke was like, pew. I was like, whoom. Swerved out. Yeah, it was lucky actually. But yeah, back in the room. Gonna rest for a little bit, chill, cool down, because it's fucking hot out there. And then I'm gonna eat some of these bananas. Probably all of them. I've got 4 there left, I've already had one. Yeah, and then go get something to eat, some dinner. Alright. See you then. Peace. I over-exaggerated that story a little bit. It weren't like, oh shit. He bibbed, then I just went, got out of the way. It was lucky, but yeah, it weren't to that extent. It was a close call though. I did have to swerve. But yeah, I've learned that about myself. I just lack concentration. Like, I'm easily distracted. Things are like, I'm just going along, something's there, I'm looking. I'm like a little kid. I need to get out there. I need to concentrate, especially when I'm on a fucking motorbike. But yeah, that's about it. Right. Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna eat these bananas and that's it. See you later. Peace. That scared you, didn't it? Alright, that's the end of the vlog. If you like the vlog, like, share, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the vlog, then you're a mug. And you should like, share, comment, subscribe anyway. Peace.